Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about Venn diagrams. It is used to represent the sets. So in our previous classes, we already discussed about sets, basics. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so we are going to use rectangle box to represent the universal set. So we already discussed about what's universal set in our last class. Means the set of all the elements in this universe. We call it as universal set. It is mentioned using a rectangle box. U is the symbol to mention universal set. Means this set, this box contains all the elements in this universe. All the set elements. So this is how we mention universal set. Now coming to the next one, take the next example. A equal to 1, 2, 5. The set A contains the elements 1, 2, 5. So how we need to represent this set 1, 2, 5? Using the circle, we are going to represent the set A. In this universal set means it contains all the elements. Means 1 to 5 elements belongs to universal set. So these elements belongs to set A. That's why we are separating them by using a circle. This is set of elements A. What's the elements that present in set A? 1, 2, 5. This is how we represent the set in Venn diagram form. Now coming to the next example, take two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 5. B is equal to 5, 6, 7. By looking at these two sets, do you have any common elements? Yes, we are having common elements 5, 5. So how we need to represent this? Take two sets. This is set A, this circle is set A, and this circle is set B. We are going to overlap these two circles. Why? Why we are having common elements? So we need to, in this universal set, we are having element 5. That element is present only one time. You are not supposed to write it as two separate sets, A and B, separately two circles. In A, you can mention 1, 2, 5. In B, we can mention 5, 6, 7. Then you are mentioning 5 2 times. It is not possible because our universal set contains only one time that element. So 1, 2, 5. This common area that belongs to A and B, in that we have to mention the common elements. Means the 5 element present here. The A set contains 1, 2 and the B set separately contains 6, 7. Both of them commonly contains element 5. This is how we mention if you are having two sets. Now coming to the next example, take one more example, 1, 2, 5. Set A contains 1, 2, 5. Set B contains 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. See here, by looking at this example, 1, 2, 5. And B contains 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Means B contains all the elements that present in A. So A should be inside the B. So that's why we have mentioned B. Inside the B we are having a circle called A. In this we are having 1, 2, 5 and here we have mentioned 7, 8. The outer circle contains set B and the inner circle contains set A. This is how we mention if A is subset of B. This is what subset means. We discussed in our previous class what subset means. Now coming to the next example, take three sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. C is equal to 1, 6, 7, 9, 10. See what's the common element that present in all the sets? 6, 6, 6. So if you are having three sets, this is how we mention that. One set, second set and third set. What's the common element for all the sets? This is the common element for all the sets, all the three sets. Which there we have to mention, this is the common space. There you have to mention the common element, 6. What is the common space for A and C? This is the common space for A and B. Only for A and B. So what are the common elements that present in A and B? 5. 6 is also there, but we have mentioned that in the common space of all the sets. So what's the common space for only A and B? This is the space for common space for A and B. So there we have to mention 5. What is the common space for A and C? This is the common space for A and C. What is the common element for A and C? 1. And what is the common element for B and C? It is 7. So this is the common space for B and C. There we have to mention 7. So what's the remaining elements in A? 2. What's the remaining elements in B? 8. What's the remaining elements in C? 9, 10. This is how we mention sets if you are given 3 different sets. If you are having common elements, we do like this. So hope you understand how to represent the sets that present the sets in the Venn diagram form. So hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.